Hello everyone, and welcome to this presentation on how to get into first-line IT support, accelerate your progression and earn a substantial salary with excellent career prospects within a few years. I have been working in IT for over 21 years now, and during this time I have helped many people who have wanted to move away from their current jobs for whatever reason, such as security guards, delivery drivers, retail assistants, factory workers, and many more into first-line support roles and begin their careers within IT support. By following this guidance, people have landed roles with starting salaries between 20 and 30k, and within a few years are earning in the regions of 50 to 70k plus. If you have already decided and want to transition from your current job into IT support, stick around. A bit about myself. My name is Omar Hussain. I have been working in IT for over 21 years now, in various national and international organizations and in a variety of roles such as service desk and help desk analyst, first line support, second line support, service desk team leader, IT field support, and I'm currently working as a project manager on IT deployment projects. During this time, I have been approached by many people, from friends, family, and relatives to people in the wider community, for guidance and assistance in helping them get into first line support roles. One of the first people I helped was my own brother. To cut the long story short, he was completely fed up with his current working situation, mainly due to his hours of work and virtually no training or career prospects. And he decided to transition into a career within IT support. By following this guide, within 3 months he secured his first service desk role, and 3 years later he is still with the same organization, now working as a third line application support engineer. He started on a 25k salary and is currently earning over 50k a year. Because of all the advice and guidance given to people over the years, I have decided to create this presentation and place all the information in it to help anyone who needs it, all in one location so it's accessible to everyone. And yes, of course, this can be used for other types of roles and for guidance in general. Use it to your benefit. This guide consists of stages. These stages are preparation, applying for roles, interviewing and securing a role, your plan until the completion of your probationary period, and finally your plan up until your first year personal development review. Within this presentation, I will go through each stage explaining what needs to be done to be successful and progress to the next stage until your first year review. The speed of your progression depends entirely on how much effort you put into each stage of the process. Anyone can get into first-line IT support. Many people I have helped have successfully secured their first-line support roles with little and in some cases no previous technical experience. This is the entry level into the world of IT support. The role literally requires basic technical knowledge, which can be easily obtained if you don't have any technical experience already, that is. And in some roles, no technical experience, where you are simply taking calls, coming into the service desk, logging this information and passing this on to the relevant teams without any troubleshooting. The main skills you will need for this entry-level role are good customer service and communication skills. You will need to be able to listen to users attentively, communicate effectively, log information accurately, and have a burning desire and commitment to learn and progress. Majority of these skills you already have and use them on a daily basis to navigate through life. I don't know of any other field in employment where you can start with little to no experience and progress within a matter of years to a senior position and salary to match. You simply cannot fail at this entry-level role. Once a role is secured, everything you will need to progress will be at your disposal. The knowledge required to resolve incidents is usually held within knowledge base articles, and all these are basically documents which are held within a folder on the IT network somewhere. Not only that, you have more experienced colleagues to guide you in your first few weeks, and best of all, you have open access to the entire IT department to observe and analyze and ask questions in order to accelerate your progression. The best way to learn is hands-on practical experience, which is exactly what you will be doing in a first-line support role. This entry-level role in IT opens the doors into the world of IT and pays you to learn in order for you to progress to senior roles with salaries to match. If you have any questions, please use the comments field below. If you found this video useful, please do like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video where I will be covering briefly what service desks are and how they work before moving on to stage 1, which will cover preparation. Bye for now.